Hello my lovely people. Don't afraid, this is not my voice. I use text-to-speech.
Bruh.
Today I will show you how to make big room like blaster jacks or bass jackers. Because big room never dies. Before the video begins, like and subscribe the channel. Always remember, it is free. Preview bruh. Let's begin. First, open your lovely FL Studio. Change the tempo to 128. Close the fruity limiter in your master track because you don't need it. Now, find a big room kick. Here I used a bass jacker's kick from Cashmere Pack. Remember that the kick is in A. But in this case my track will be A, so it doesn't matter. But if your track is in another key, then don't forget to pitch up or pitch down. Now, choose a sound. Here I use Serum because Serum can do sound design. Choose a nice preset or do your own sound design. I use leads from my own unreleased Serum presets pack. I did sound design before and I saved them. I will release them soon. As you can see, I have 5 patterns. 3 of them is leads. 1 is riser and the another one is violin. I will say more about them later. For the first lead pattern I used 3 different leads. They are the main lead. The second lead pattern is a support of some note. The third makes the drop sound more powerful. Make a catchy melody and make sure your key is right. Now, group all your leads into the same mixer channel and start mixing. I used Kickstart to sidechain and put Bigifier, this wonderful plugin. It is not free but it worth the price. It made my leads sound bigger and fuller. I added fruity parametric line at 2 and cut the low frequencies. I decreased a bit the high frequency. Also I added fruity filter for cutoff in the build-up. But you don't need it in the drop. So automate it. I put fruity reverb 2 and endless smile into it too. The second pattern of leads is just a support of some notes and I grouped it into the same mixer track. The third pattern of leads I just add further 3 more layers of leads. I grouped them into the same mixer track too. At the beginning of the drop, I added 2 impacts and 1 kinda transition thingy. Add some drop stabs too. Don't forget to assign it into a new empty mixer track so that you can master the volume there. Remember, assign all your samples you use. Like here you can see all the sample I used are in mixer track. Just double click your sample and click the word track and it will automatically do it. None of them should be louder than 0 dB. We don't bass here because the kick has already. I added rides and pan at 10% left because I want to pan. I added a vocal word from Commer Pack. It fills the empty part and make the drop sounds fuller. Also I added big snares and make it around -5.1 dB as it is enough. When repeat on the drop, I cut the last bar of the kicks and rides. I added a sound effect from Dark Raven sample pack and pitched down it for 12 semitones. I added a clock sound and a big snare. I copied the things and paste and added drop claps. I added some white noise for making my track more interesting. Also I added a violin from the Citrus. It is a free plugin and every FL Studio users have. Also assign it to empty mixer track and master it. So now, we finished the drop. For the build-up, I added a exhaust and a down sweep impact. I added snares from my own sample pack. I added fruity filter from my leads and make a cutoff. I automated the cutoff ratio. Also I automated the mix level because I don't want it to affect my drop. I added a riser and a tonal riser. I added 2 uplifters and added a filtered snare roll. From the drum fills, I used the same snares as the build-up snares and panned some of those to make it sounds better. I also added a big snare in front of the drop. I found a tom from Cashmere pack. I automated the pitch level. You should double-click the sample and make the range to 12. And right-click and create an automation line. So now guys, we are finally done. Let's listen to the final result. Remember, bigroom never dies. Guys, thank for watching. Unfortunately this time I won't give out free FLP this time. Because I will finish this song and release it. Don't be sad now because I will release the free FLP after I release it. But please don't steal my song idea. If you liked this video please like and subscribe. If you learned something from this video please share to your friends. If you didn't enjoy the video still please like and subscribe. Comments down what you think about this video. Thanks you so much and have a nice day.